let's touch on how YouTube is constantly evolving.
Yes, new features and updates keep changing the way we interact with content.
Like the introduction of YouTube Shorts, which caters to quick, engaging content.
Exactly. It's like TikTok, but with the YouTube twist.
And it allows a new generation of creators to shine.
Right. Short-form content is becoming increasingly popular.
What do you think about the monetization of YouTube content?
It's a game changer. Creators can turn their passion into a livelihood.
Absolutely. It incentivizes quality content.
But it also puts pressure on creators to maintain views and engagement.
True. That can lead to burnout if not managed properly.
Speaking of burnout, how can creators maintain their passion?
I think it's essential to take breaks and not lose sight of why they started.
Great point. Authenticity resonates with audiences.
And sharing their journey can create a deeper connection.
Exactly. Vulnerability can be a strength.
What advice would you give to new creators?
Start with what you love and stay true to your voice.
And don't be afraid to experiment and learn along the way.
Yes, growth comes from trying new things.
As we continue to explore YouTube's landscape, what do you think is next?
I believe we'll see more interactive content, like live streams and Q&A sessions.
That sounds exciting. It's all about engagement.
And creating a two-way dialogue between creators and their audience.
Exactly. That sense of community is what makes YouTube special.
And it encourages more diverse voices to join the conversation.
We can't forget the role of comments and feedback.
For sure. They provide valuable insights for creators.
And help shape future content.
It's a continuous cycle of creation and interaction.
To wrap things up, let's remember that YouTube is a platform of endless possibilities.
And it's up to us to navigate it responsibly and creatively.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts.
See you next time, and keep exploring the world of YouTube. Before we dive deeper, let's talk about some lesser-known features of YouTube that can enhance our viewing experience.
That's a great idea. For instance, did you know about YouTube's built-in video chapters?
Yes, they allow you to skip to specific parts of a video, making it easier to find the content you want.
Exactly. It's a time saver. And how about the ability to create playlists?
Playlists are fantastic. They help organize content based on themes or interests.
Right. Plus, you can share playlists with friends, which makes for a fun collaborative experience.
Another feature that's often overlooked is the watch later function.
Yes. It's perfect for saving videos you want to check out when you have more time.
And don't forget about the ability to adjust playback speed.
That's a game changer. You can speed up tutorials or slow down a fast-paced video.
Exactly. It's all about customizing your viewing experience.
Speaking of customization, have you tried YouTube's dark mode?
I have. It's much easier on the eyes, especially during nighttime viewing.
For sure. And there's also the option to turn off autoplay, which can help prevent unintentional binge watching.
Yes. Autoplay can be a double-edged sword. It's great for discovering new content, but it can lead to hours of watching.
Absolutely. Moderation is key.
Now, let's shift gears and talk about the future of content creation on YouTube.
Sure. With the rise of AI, I think we'll see more automated content creation.
That's an interesting point. AI could help creators with editing or even generating scripts.
Right. But it also raises questions about originality and authenticity.
Definitely. It's a fine balance between leveraging technology and maintaining a personal touch.
And with emerging technologies like virtual reality, the way we consume content may change drastically.
It's exciting to think about. Imagine experiencing a documentary in VR.
That would be amazing. It could make the content even more immersive.
As we explore these advancements, it's crucial to stay mindful of how they affect our engagement.
Absolutely. We should embrace innovation while also fostering genuine interactions.
Well said. Before we conclude, let's share some tips for aspiring creators navigating this evolving landscape.
Great idea. First, I'd say focus on your niche and build a community around it.
Totally. Finding your unique voice is essential.
And consistency is key. Regular uploads help keep your audience engaged.
Absolutely. Also, interacting with your audience through comments can strengthen that connection.
Yes. Feedback is invaluable for growth.
And don't forget to collaborate with other creators to expand your reach.
Collaboration can introduce you to new audiences and fresh ideas.
As we wrap up, let's remind our listeners to stay curious and keep exploring.
Definitely. YouTube is a vast ocean of content waiting to be discovered.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts.
See you next time, and keep exploring the world of YouTube.